Welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're gonna do a bake with me. We've had a couple really gloomy days, rainy, and it just makes me want to bake. So, since there was a good response to the small batch pound cake, I figured we could work through some more small batch recipes. I'll test them, let you know if they're any good, and we'll go from there. So today we're gonna do a mini coffee cake. Of course, I will link the full recipe down below for you. We'll get started. There's two parts to it. You gotta make your streusel and then the actual cake base. I've gotten most of my ingredients out because you had to soften some butter and an egg needed to be room temp, so you might want to think about that ahead of time. But we're going to go ahead and get the oven preheated and the pan greased. So what I do when I spray, because I don't have like a traditional aerosol spray, I just kind of brush it on with a piece of paper towel. So for the streusel, we're gonna need a little bit of all-purpose flour, brown sugar, sea salt, ground cinnamon, nutmeg, and 4 tablespoons of melted butter. This is gonna go into the fridge to chill while we do the next step. Okay, we're gonna do dry ingredients and then wet. So dry, we need to do salt, baking powder, and more flour. And then we're going to, in a separate bowl, do sugar and butter. Then we're gonna add the egg, vanilla, and sour cream, and then also milk. So let's get the dry ingredients going. from here, we're gonna let this cool for about 15 minutes and then I'll try a little piece. I'm not gonna eat a whole one because I'm not ready to eat it yet. But after 15 minutes, I'll let you know how it tastes. I'm not gonna lie, from the few nibbles I had, this is gonna be very good. It's definitely very light and airy in the dough part of it, and then the top has like a sweet, salty taste to it. This is still warm. This is very, very, very good. I can't wait to eat it tomorrow morning when I have breakfast. Like coffee, I think it'll be really good with some coffee. Add a little more sweet. It's a little more on the salty side than I was expecting, but it is so good. Like, this is definitely worth making. So I hope you enjoyed coming along with me while we did this bake with me. Again, the recipe will be linked down in the description, and I did make it 2 recipe, but I do hope everyone enjoyed, and I hope you have a blessed day.